welcome. It's Stilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a Dutch pour. You know they have been my nemesis, haven't been that successful with Dutch pours, but definitely improving. So I am going to use this unusual kind of colour combo, I suppose, but I'm going to give it a go. So this was white paint that I just added some of the deep sea blue colour to the white just to send it this kind of lovely blue. Actually, it's really nice. I suppose it's like a baby blue. Really nice colour. So I'm just doing the covering the canvas with the paint and not wanting to actually spread it out with a spatula or anything at the moment, just tilting it out. So just taking it nice and easy and relaxing with it. Just having a nice relaxing time in the studio today. Now it's for my second colour, which is actually a very dark navy that I custom made out of the phthalo blue, a good blob of black and a blob of very dark green makes a gorgeous dark navy blue. And it looks like I may have added too much black to that because it's very black blue, but that's all good. It'll be perfect with this look that I'm trying to achieve. So it is all good. Kind of looks like a silhouette of something, doesn't it, there? Side profile. But now for the colours, and I think they will knock your socks off. So I have the really, really bright yellow. It's a really lovely bright yellow. All the colours that I'm using today are global paints, but you can get these colours in any brand paint, I would say, because that's just a cool yellow. But my supplier and their worldwide deliveries now are in the drop-down box, so they're an online art and everything to do with art and creation. So the link is down below. So that was a bit of white that I added there previous, and now I've got the ultraviolet, which is kind of thought working with a few of these particular colours this week in different creations. Kind of have weeks where I work with certain colours and then try other things. So this week it's in these shades. Just giving it a whiz over with the heat wand to burst any air bubbles in it. And now it's the hair dryer. I have just got that on low and on a cool setting. So getting a little bit of a hang of this hairdryer blowy bit now. So I'm getting the consistency a lot better than I did. I was happy with the right side of that, but not totally happy with the top that you can see. So I'm obviously just try to, try and make it sort of wispier so the edges are not so blunt, or should I say harsh, I don't know. It's trying to soften the whole thing up. Oh, I'm happy there, but I don't stay happy for very long because I decide to take that top bit off, which you will see in a few seconds time. Okay, not happy with that top bit, so I get my spatula and I scrape it off. I really like that softer on the right hand side, but I do not like that, the composition of that. I don't know, maybe you may think otherwise, but I wasn't particularly happy with it. So you just push on until, remember, your art room, your rules, your way. Just push on till you get something that you're happy with. So much happier with this now. I do absolutely love that. I love the colours together. I just sort of going to soften some of the edges up, but I actually love that so much. So definitely will be doing that again. And now I have a different idea of how to approach it, so to not have to scrape it again. So yes, she's happy. So thank goodness for that. So until tomorrow, thank you so much for joining me. I'll be back again tomorrow. So you guys take care. Bye for now.